Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Deliveroo or your food delivery account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. I have already opened the Google Chrome, as you can see, and on the search bar click over there and type in deliveroo.com and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Deliveroo on the Google like this, and on the first page it will appear. And now to sign in or to log into Deliveroo account, you can see the sign up or the login page available over here. Click over there. You can continue with the Deliveroo's email itself, or you can just sign up or log in with Google or Facebook. Now in this case, let's log in with our email, and you need to enter your email over here and click on continue to the interface where you need to enter the password. And after entering your password, you will be logged into your Deliveroo account. And if you forgot your password, just click over here to reset it. And there guys, this is how you sign into Deliveroo account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.